Hi everyone and welcome back to yet another video. Today I'm visiting one of Sweden's most famous waterfalls. It's called Tännforsen and it's just around the corner over there. And the sound from the waterfall is really deafening, so I found a nice spot here where I could welcome you back to my channel. And I will put up some information about the waterfall for you here on screen. What can I say more? It's a very popular location to visit, so there's a lot of people around there. So I will wait a while before I get into photography. Also I will be doing a voiceover for the rest of the video, because once I get closer to the waterfall you won't hear me anyway.
So, let's go and have a closer look at the waterfall. Water has a special place in my heart, especially the sea. But a big beautiful waterfall like this comes in at a close second place. And when it comes to landscape photography, this waterfall in particular is a real eye-catcher. There are several viewpoints of interest overlooking the waterfall, and I had a look at them all. I wanted to figure out the best spot for a nice photograph. This small footbridge took me very close to the waterfall. As I walked out on the bridge, it suddenly got very dark and heavy rain started falling down from the sky. The mighty roar, massive amount of water, dark skies and heavy rain made the whole experience very dramatic. I could not remain there for very long. All my clothes and camera gear quickly got soaking wet, so I had to take shelter and wait out the rain before continuing the quest for a good spot for photography. About 45 minutes later the rain finally stopped, and I made my way to the spot where I believed I had the best chance for a nice shot. It was about 200 meters downstream from the waterfall. I have seen many pictures from this location, so I have to admit that my mind were somewhat predetermined on how my first shot would look like. So let's get that first shot in the bag. And I will be using my Nikon Z7 with Nikon Z24-70 f2.8 zoom lens. And I'm at one stop below native ISO, f9, 1/8 of a second and at 24mm. I guess I should have used ISO 64 and f10, but my setting works good as well. I choose to present the final photograph in black and white, to distinguish it from a shot that I will show you soon, and also because I actually like it in black and white. Next I moved closer to the stream and tried a lower angle, but I felt like the stone right in front of me was too prominent in the frame, blocking the sight of flowing water. After that I tried a shot, zoomed in all the way to 280mm, and I'm very happy with how that image turned out. And for the final photograph from this beautiful location, I did a 9-shot panorama. Now only one thing remained. While I was searching for compositions, I spotted a white-throated dipper, a small bird that lives in this kind of environment. I wanted to get the bird on film, so I used my telelens as binoculars to try and find it. But it didn't want to show itself, so I decided that my best chance of finding the bird again was to have a look upstreams from the waterfall. So I packed my gear, and the whole time I was packing I could not stop thinking that I had missed something. That there still was a shot here that I had missed. I know now that the shot that I did not take was a close-up of the waterfall itself. A photograph that would illustrate the epic scale of how big this waterfall really is. But I'm not sad. This means that I want to come back here again. And that is something that I'm really looking forward to. And what about the bird I was talking about? Yes, I did find it. And I got some really nice footage of the bird as well. That is all for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me and my channel to grow. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.